up, YouTube? Welcome back. Well, it's gonna be another powder coating video, and Spencer's working on his video. How's it going over there?
It's going.
It's going. Today's video, we are going to be building a spray booth for the powder coat room. So I just got back from self-serve, I don't know, 60 bucks. Bought me 8 2x4s and a sheet of OSB. And then I bought 2 furnace filters because that is what I'm gonna use to capture the particles. Let me show you the fans I got. So we're just gonna be using normal house box fans, and they're gonna be framed in the back wall of my spray booth, and then the filters are gonna go technically on the back side because this will be the back of the booth. The booth I'm going to build is gonna be 4x4x6. I figure 4x4x6 should be, watch me drop this on myself.
You got this, dude. Be strong.
Got it.
Think strong thoughts. Think strong thoughts.
Am I supposed to have an Audi now? I'm kidding. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this stuff unloaded, and probably almost build it like a modular. I will build the base is one piece, both sides is one piece, the back is one piece, and then the same with the ceiling, because 4x4 is not gonna fit through that door opening, and I don't wanna build it in there, I wanna build it out here, so be right back. So another quick thing before we really get into this video, because I keep on forgetting, let me show you what I got for the channel. Okay, so I broke down and I bought a little bit of merch. If you guys are interested in helping support the channel, these will be for sale. Right now, probably $2 a piece, and I'll ship them to you. I gotta figure out a way I can take payment. And I also got stickers. Everybody's like, oh, that's the same as last year, but it's not. It's a little bit different. And remember, I got my door over here that I don't show off as much as I should, but if you guys want your name up here, send me a sticker and I will put it up there, and it can go along with all the other decor. And maybe eventually I'll get hats or shirts. Somebody was actually asking me about shirts, and I've been thinking about shirts. Almost thinking about just like a black tee and then have this logo in fluorescent colors on the back, pretty much just like my sweatshirt is.
Do it in your iconic blue that you always paint everything in.
I probably will. It'll be the seaside blue. I'll probably do lime green because lime green is sexy. Maybe we'll do the orange because Diesel Kid says that's my favorite color.
No, definitely the blue.
Well, the blue just looks good on this truck, okay? Can you really say it doesn't?
On all your trucks.
The Cummins is gray.
And you're doing blue accents.
Kinda. We got to build our spray booth first so that way we can finish the blue accents for the Cummins and figure out this process, so hopefully start making some money. So I pulled the CRX out of the garage so I can actually build in here. I have 2 more sheets of OSB in the barn, so I gotta go grab those. Spencer's grandpa whip. Not gonna lie, I actually dig it. Hopefully that charger's done soon. That's what Spencer's working on right now, is getting the motor going for that. I need to work on the C60, but now I got this project. So enough talking, let's get to work. Shop helper out here. We're gonna build some stuff. Pull the trigger. Double tap. Everybody knows that. So the wood that I'm reclaiming, these are all 45 inches. I got all the nails out of them. I got my saw set up. So this booth is gonna be 4 feet wide, so 48 by 3.5. And then we're gonna do like 6 feet tall. So I'm gonna go ahead, mark these, then we'll be able to screw them. And I got 2 more sheets of lumber out in the barn, but we're gonna make a top and bottom with these. And then I will build 3 walls. The 2 side walls are gonna be easy. The back wall is gonna have the cutouts for my filters and my fans in it.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on a flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, hot like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. I've never changed myself, I've always stayed the same. No doubt, I've always played the game all out.
So making a little progress on the spray booth right now. I got the top or the bottom. The top and bottom are both the same. And the other one. Currently, what I'm trying to figure out is my back wall, which is gonna have these two box fans and be framed in. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build the back wall of the booth itself. I will screw that on. It's not gonna be sheeted on the inside and outside. It's only gonna be sheeted on the inside. So there will be 2x4s on the outside of it. What I think I'm gonna do is frame the outside so it goes up. And then after the back is on, then I will put the sides on, which are just gonna be OSB. And then possibly in the front, I might put a 2x4 just to brace it, I guess. Or make the opening a little bit smaller. Hopefully that'll help with the vacuum effect. I don't know if it's really necessary. After I get the fans and stuff wired up, I would like to put a switch on the side of the spray booth itself, so that way I can just hit that switch and the fans will kick on whatever speed I actually have the fan set at. So right now I'm gonna go ahead, take some measurements and make some smaller chunks of 2x4 that will go in between the larger uprights, and then I can hopefully pull out my other sheet of OSB, get that frame or cut mounted, and then we will go from there.
Let's go. I can see my future and it's looking bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night. But I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, head, body, roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave. I'll finally be the final be a better me. My destiny is to invest in me. A quest to be the best, yeah, I'll let you free. From a world that's been feeling so wounded. I got dreams and they feel so lucid. I got dreams that they think are stupid. It's alright, sit back cause I do this. I don't take this life for granted, my mind's expanding. It's time for a fight, commanding the war. I want more, yeah, I said I want more. Took a life full of hooks, time to even the score.
One life left, so I gotta make it count. Two bloody ends, work hard just to build it now. Three more doubts in my head, try to tear me down. But I won't let it show. Falling, scaring me alone through the struggle now. 5 toes dangle off the edge, don't look down. 6 feet deep, what will I leave when I'm underground? I don't know.
Let's go.
But watch me go.
Take a deep breath in, can you feel that? That's 1 in a billion, wait, 1 in a trillion. A life that's been given, a life that's worth living. I don't wanna miss it, I'll get up and get it. Cause I got a vision, I got ambitions. I've got the energy, I'm on a mission. Passion and purpose, they light the ignition. I made a decision, so listen up. I'm here to take a stance. You cannot keep me down, digging from underground. I'm here to take a chance. Never down for the count, I'll go another round. Do you believe? Yes, I believe. I can achieve, I'll do it for me. I wanna be free, I have to be free. So get off your knees, stand up and believe.
So I got the booth all blown out. I pulled the filters out. We stopped at Walmart, got us a gallon of some semi-gloss white interior paint. Nah, time to paint. Don't worry about all the noise over there, just Spencer. Be quiet down, I'm trying to record a video for YouTube.
I'm doing the same.
So, since Spencer has my fans, I threw the cord on this until I finish the electrical on this. That way I'll have some sort of air circulation in here, so let's get back to painting.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me
Okay, so a few hours later, and it's all white. So really happy, guys, with the way the paint booth turned out. It works really good, but it's already been used for a couple projects. I mean, we just finished this up 2 days ago, I think I painted. And then yesterday I was recording another video. I did some powder coating. That will be next week's video. Yeah, but I couldn't be happier with the booth. It does. I wish it had a little more CFMs. I wish it had some bigger fans. I still need to hook up lights. For me, lighting is not a crazy problem in here. And this is definitely not OSHA approved. Spencer is getting in the final steps of his streetcar build. He's got his headers in here. He's here recording right now. He's here recording right now, trying to get some of his stuff done. So check out his channel. And
Please, I need the viewers and subscribers.
please just go check it out. So that'll be the end of this video, and see you guys on the next one.